Hey guys, and welcome to the video. I'm so excited because, the title of the video, duh. I am unboxing the Lunar Beauty Mars mystery box. This was the $140 box, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I made a video talking about him launching mystery boxes and all the information. I was telling you how excited I was because I've only tried the Lives of Drag palette, which has been one of my #1 favorite palettes that I've ever used. I still have it in my collection to this date because you guys know I'm very cutthroat when it comes to decluttering items, and this palette has stayed in my collection since 2020. That's how you know the palette is so good. Plus, I'm so close to hitting pan on a shade or two. But anyways, I am so excited about this mystery box. After I made my video the next day, Allie Dawson did an unboxing, and I was like, very excited. So if you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Also, before we get started, I want to mention that I do have a Jeffree star giveaway going on right now, so I will leave the giveaway video down in the description for you guys. Now, let's get started. And if this lash starts getting wonky throughout this video, it's because, well, you know, I filmed a lot of videos today, and I'm so ready to be done because regardless of how excited I am right now, I actually don't feel good. I've been having cervical muscle spasms for the last 2 days, so I've kind of had a headache, and my neck hurts. So I'm actually just really excited right now because I cannot wait to see what I got in this mystery box. Okey-dokey. Oh, so excited. Okay. First up, we got brushes in this cute little bag. It says Lunar Beauty. It's black. Okay. And then the little... Okay. Oh, okay. So these are face brushes. Oh, what my gosh. Okay, let me unwrap them all for you as fast as possible because I'm so excited. Oh my god. The double-ended brush. First off, the quality, baby. Feels so nice. We got a highlighting brush. Whoa, okay. Other brushes. I don't know what any of these do, but like I can assume. Oh my god, the double-ended brush. Iconic. Look. Ooh. Manny, I just want to say thank you so much for doing your mystery boxes again because, you know, I was just saying not that long ago that I really wanted him to bring these back because I missed out the first time because I'm a silly willy little girl, but oh my god. Okay, so that's the first item. Oh, everything is literally individually wrapped, you guys, so like you don't know what's in there. It's truly a mystery. Okay, so #1, we have the exclusive item, which is lashes. You guys know I'm like only a Noella lashes girl, which you can use code Connor, 20% off your purchase down below. But I'm so excited to try out Manny's lashes because first off, packaging is exquisite. Oh my goodness. These are exactly the kind of lashes I love too. So these are like perfect. Love. Okay, and then another item that he has that's supposed to be exclusive is this beauty sponge, which I can always use more sponges. Liquid and powder multi-purpose beauty sponge. And this one's a really cute sponge. Look! I mean, come on, you guys. He said that they were going to be like, you know, small exclusives, nothing fancy. So I'm actually really excited about this little sponge. Plus, it's perfect for like getting all up in there. So yay, love that. And then what is this? Lip gloss. Oh, mystery lip gloss. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is my first lip product from him ever. Actually, this is my first everything except for the Life is a Drag palette, but like seeing it in person, I love the packaging. It just doesn't do any justice when you like see it online, see it in YouTube videos, and then you see it in person, you're like, wow. Oh my god. And it smells so good. I kind of wiped off swatches from earlier on the back of my hands. Hopefully you can see still. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. Oh my god, the smell though, I want to eat it. So don't pay attention to these. They're like not coming off. I scrubbed with a wet wipe from a previous video. Oh my god, this is pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, I have another lip product here, and this is in Aphrodite, and this is a red. This is probably the only red I think I'll ever use in the future because I've seen Allie Dawson rave about it, and it looks beautiful on her. And if I'm going to do a red, it's going to be this type of red, and the little diamond in here is so pretty. Okay, let's swatch. Let's just put it over this darker shade. Oh, yeah. This is exactly the kind of red that I definitely would wear. Oh my god, and it just smells so good. I love it. Okay. And then I have one more lip product, and this is in Dreamy, and it's a lip gloss. So I do like that we have a variety. Ooh, really pretty color. Okay. This smell is just so good. Okay, let's put it next to the red. So just a nice, beautiful gloss. Give this video a thumbs up if you're impressed, because I am. Now it's time to unwrap the last 1, 2, 3, 4 items, okay? Okay. What is this? What is this? We don't know. We have to unwrap it. I could just unwrap it from the... Okay, I'll do... Okay. I'm just excited, okay? Oh. You guys know I was talking about this like when it came out forever ago. You guys probably don't know, but if you're like one of the few that are watching this right now that watched my video about new makeup releases, I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty, but I just didn't pick it up, and now I have it. Oh my god, look. ASMR. Okay. I haven't been this excited about a mystery box in forever, and oh my goodness, the palette. Oh gosh. Okay. These are all the shades that I would use on the daily. Oh my goodness, they're all so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Trying to contain myself. Next. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Eternal Eclipse. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, packaging. I'm so happy. Oh, okay, this is so pretty. Oh my god, okay. Look. Okay, so like these shades probably not gonna use very much. I'm not into like deep blues, but oh my god, these two rows right here are like, girl, I can't wait to put this in my everyday makeup drawer. That's so pretty. Okay. Okay, next. What do you think it is? What do you think it is, you guys? I don't know. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. I was wanting to get one of the Moonspell palettes. Oh my god. It's volume 2. It's volume 2. Boom. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. This reminds me. Okay, so I've already seen Supernatural, and besides the last season, because I'm one of those people, if I'm in love with a show, I refuse to watch either the very last episode or like the last season because I just don't want it to end. And if I don't watch it, then to me, it hasn't ended yet. But I've restarted it to the very beginning because I'm making my sister watch it, and she was in love. Okay, we watched the first 3 episodes, and before, you know, we were like, we gotta go to bed, we're tired. She was so into it, so I can't wait for her to get home today to watch Supernatural with me because Jensen Ackles, you know, has my heart. Anyways, got the palette. I can't wait to see what this looks like in person. Oh my god, look how pretty! Okay, so Alex has my heart, Gillian has my heart, Misty, Mildred, Luna, Agatha, oh my god, Hilda, Zelda, Grams, Oh my god. So excited. Okay. Now, last palette. Oh my god. Yes! Okay. I said, please, 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 please let me get this. I wanted to try it. There was some, like, you know, hoopla about that, and I'm just like, you guys, ugh, you know? Oh my god, I'm so excited. How'd you get it in here? Oh my god. I can't get it out. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. We have the face powders. We have the bronzers. We have a white and we have a dark. I'm so excited to play with this. Brightening powder, a setting powder we can use. Oh my god. I paid $140 and I got all of this. Now I didn't get his little sprinkly dinkly necklace in here, which I was kind of like really hoping I would get it, but that's okay. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so I got this, which is a brand new launch. Hello. Okay, so I have face powder and bronzer covered. I also have blush covered. I have 2 eyeshadow palette options. Holler. I also have a liquid lip in the best color red ever. A lip gloss. A mystery lip gloss that's golden shimmery. I have a makeup bag. I have beautiful lashes. I have face brushes to go with my 2 new blush and what is it? Bronzer and powder palette. And then I have a sponge, which is, where did the sponge go? Where'd my sponge go? I'm not happy. Where did my sponge go? I really liked the sponge. Where did it go? Oh, it's in here. And a sponge, which is super cute. $140, you guys. Like, that's such a good deal. That's such a good deal. I'm so happy he did these again. Let me know what you guys got in your box, which one you ordered. If we got any kind of different variation, let me know. But I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. I can't wait to play with these products. Do I just go ahead and put them in my everyday makeup drawer, or do I wait? I don't know. I'm so excited. I'm gonna definitely play with these brushes pronto. I'm just... Manny, I love you. Thank you so much for this. And let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. All of that jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.